Overnight, a 5.9 magnitude earthquake rocking Afghanistan's southeastern province. At least 1,000 people are dead, more than 1,600 are injured. The Minister of Interior saying those numbers are expected to rise as more information trickles in from remote villages. The search for survivors is underway. Some local residents say the quake left them traumatized. It was midnight when the quake struck, said this woman. The kids and I screamed. One of our rooms was destroyed. In Kabul, the Taliban holding an emergency press conference. The Prime Minister sends condolences to the victims' families and those who have been injured in last night's earthquake, said this official, and praises God for granting them paradise. The Taliban government promising around $1,100 to the families of those who've died and $500 to families who've sustained injuries. But the people of Afghanistan were struggling long before the earthquake. Severe drought and the collapse of the economy plagued the country with a high poverty rate and food shortages, a crisis that's gotten worse since the U.S. left and the Taliban took over.
There's a drought that's happening that's causing significant food insecurity for the people here in Afghanistan. Endemic and pandemic diseases that are affecting people's lives here. It is a long list of factors that are making life very difficult here for the Afghan people.
The UN estimates 1.1 million children under the age of 5 could face severe malnutrition this year. NGOs are aiding the recovery effort on the ground.
Well, UNICEF has several mobile health and nutrition teams on the ground at the moment.
But even they admit that giving relief to Afghanistan's more remote villages will be a challenge without sophisticated equipment to support their response. Afghanistan is no stranger to earthquakes. In 1998, an earthquake killed at least 4,500 people in the northeast. More deadly earthquakes would follow in 2002, 2005, 2009, 2015, and even earlier this year in 2022. But this earthquake could become Afghanistan's most deadly in more than 20 years. In Vatican City, the Pope mentioning the victims during his weekly general audience. I pray in particular for those who've lost their lives and their families, he said. I hope that with everyone's help, the suffering of the Afghan people can be alleviated. A suffering we're only just beginning to understand.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.